Set. In today's video, I'm going to be doing some looks with the new Conspiracy palette that I just got in. I don't know how much talking I will do through this, and I don't know how many looks I will do. I will do at least 2 looks right now. I will try and do multiple looks, and I understand people have had this palette for a month, and I'm actually recording this on December 7th, so you guys know what I'm doing. Concealer and corrector are done. I am using that Jeffree Star like powder under my eyes to see what it does, and I do have concealer on my lids, and just whatever powder I had on my hands just now rubbing over it is now on there. I did leave it unset. So I'm going to be jumping into multiple looks with this palette. Hopefully, I plan on at least doing 4 in like this video, depending on how long they are. I will most likely speed up some of these parts. If I do talk, I'll just like separate the talking out from like before I speed up the footage and whatnot. That way you'll still hear the talking, and then there'll be music and whatnot that plays. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Like I said, I know this palette's been out for a while, and I will show you each shade that I use as I use it. So that way, and you can check the description box. I'll have like look 1 and then the colors written out, and then look 2 and the colors written out. That way you know what colors I'm using. And that reminds me, I need to go get my notebook so I can write them down as I do them so that I don't forget. All right, I'm gonna get started. This is a BH105 brush from the Essentials Eye Kit, and the shade is Not a Fact.
Perfect.
Going into shade Cheese Dust next. Now going to my right is here, or my rides here. Now I'm going into Flaming Hot. using an e.l.f. flat synthetic brush in Illumina T. Now taking a Lexi 217 into Diet Cola. Now to do a liner and mascara, and then I will do a close-up of this eye. Going into Tanacon with a Farrah 6 short shading brush. Now going into Diet Root Beer with a BH Cosmetics Studio Pro brush number 17. Using a flat synthetic brush, I'm going into Just a Theory. Now taking the shade Ranch on the same brush that I've color switched. basically stopped there for a nice neutral look, but I'm gonna go ahead and go into my rides here, out on the outer edge with a 105. This is the Eye Essentials brush kit. The reason why I pulled my eye like that is because this eye has been watering really bad, and all of this entire area is like super dry. I've got big craggy spots there. Just going back over just the theory just a little bit. So here is a nice neutral look for like everyday work, wedding. And I'm gonna go ahead and do liner and mascara, and I will be right back. Okay, so here are the first two looks done. I used 10 different shades to do these. I've written out colors for the next two looks, so I'll do a minimum of at least 4. I like this one over here. Kind of neat, a little different. And then you've got your everyday neutral, wedding, party, work appropriate. I try and do one of these at least with these palettes. So hopefully you guys enjoy.